kerusi. This chair is too low for me. Saya ada idea.
Students of different heights aren't comfortable using chairs that don't suit their height.
Membuat kerusi yang boleh dilaraskan pada ketinggian yang berbeza dan juga boleh membantu murid-murid belajar dalam keadaan yang selesa.
The name of our product is kerusi yang berinspirasikan buku, also known as KYBB, because our product is an innovative chair design that has been combined with books. The display shows the final sketch of our product. As you can see, the legs and armrests of the chair are made from boxes cut into small pieces and glued together. For the cushions and the backrest, they're made from stacks of paper that can be flipped to change the upholstery, allowing for custom color combination. It also adjusts the cushioning by changing the page count, making it both visually flexible and comfortable to sit on. We also add a water bottle as the stationery holder and a drawer under the chair for easier storage.
Akhir sekali, inilah bajet kami. Antara bahan yang kami perlukan ialah botol air, kotak, A4 color project paper, pemotong, gunting, pistol gam panas, gam cair panas, gam uhu dan pembaris. Jumlah anggaran kos untuk bahan ialah sebanyak RM58.68. Kami berharap idea ini dapat diteruskan ke peringkat DIY Made Simple 2024. Itu sahaja daripada kami. Sekian, terima kasih.